In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive filters to save time. If you ever find yourself scrolling through long lists trying to spot the same kinds of records, filters are the fastest way to cut through the noise. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to see only what matters for your workflow. Start by opening the list you want to focus on. This could be your contacts, your activities, your deals, or your leads. Choose the area where you need clarity right now. Picking the right list matters, because filters affect only the page you're currently viewing. Once you're there, look to the top right of the list view. You'll see a filter drop-down waiting for you. Click that drop-down to open your filtering options. Right away, you'll notice preset filters provided by Pipedrive. These are ready-made and great when you want quick, reliable results without any setup. Use them to instantly narrow deals by status or time frame, focus on upcoming activities, or view contacts by a specific owner. Select one, and your list updates immediately so you can get to work without digging. When you need something more tailored, click Add New Filter. This is where you can create your own filter from scratch and mix multiple conditions to match your exact needs. Think in terms of criteria like owner, stage, pipeline, value ranges, due dates, or last activity. Start broad with a single condition to capture the right group, then add another condition to refine what you see. For example, you might combine stage and deal value, or owner and due date, to isolate the precise slice of records you care about. As you build your custom filter, aim for clarity. Use just enough conditions to define your focus without making it overly complex. If the results feel too wide, add a condition to tighten them. If they look too narrow, simplify one. The goal is a view that instantly answers the question you're trying to solve. That's the entire workflow. Go to the entity list you care about, open the filter drop-down in the top right, and either choose a preset filter or click Add New Filter to build your own by mixing conditions. With this simple approach, your workspace becomes cleaner, your attention stays on priorities, and your next actions are obvious. You spend less time searching and more time executing. That's all. Now you know how to use Pipedrive filters to save time every single day.